Hey guys, it's Melanie. Happy Wednesday. Okay, yesterday I shared my top 10 Sephora sale suggestions, products that I know and love that I highly, highly recommend. If you missed that video, I will link it in the description box down below. Today I am sharing what is in my Sephora cart. Now, here's the thing. Usually what I have in my cart and what I end up getting kind of changes a little bit, but I kind of feel like this year that I've got a pretty solid cart that I feel like I'm gonna follow through on. So we'll see. I will obviously do a haul video for you guys and let you know what I actually ended up purchasing in the next couple of weeks once everything comes in. But this is where my mind is at right now. Here's the thing. The sale falls literally right around my birthday every single year. I do tend to get quite a number of Sephora gift cards from friends and family as birthday gifts. I have over the years. I feel like pretty much everybody who knows me kind of knows if they're gonna give me a gift card that really the best places would be either to Ulta or Sephora. So most people end up getting me Sephora gift cards. So I do have gift cards to put towards this. And then I also just kind of splurge because it's right around my birthday. And if there's anything that I need or that I've been wanting to try, if I can get it on sale, I'd rather get it on sale. So yes, my cart is pretty hefty right now. This is obviously before the discount. So let's go through what I have in here. I'll put links to everything down below if you want to go read up more about this stuff. If you're interested in it, it'll be down there. But okay, so the first thing that you see in here might seem kind of random because there is no Dyson Airwrap in my cart, but I do have this Dyson Airwrap. This is the long barrel attachment. This is their smallest curling, I don't want to call it a curling iron because that's not what it is, but it's their smallest curler that they have. I have decided I have well over $200 worth of Ulta points right now. I also have my Ulta $10 birthday gift coming. So I'm going to use my Ulta birthday gift and my Ulta points towards purchasing the Dyson Airwrap from Ulta. So I'm going to get right off the bat over a couple $100 off of that there. I'm secretly hoping that maybe in order to compete with Sephora that Ulta will also gift a 20% off. It's been a really long time since Ulta has done a blanket 20% off sale. I really wish that they would. I mean, I get it. They haven't done it for the last year and a half, and I'm I'm sure I know why. Some companies may be hemorrhaging money right now because of the pandemic. I don't know, but I have my fingers crossed that I can get the 20% off, use my points, use my birthday discount, and really bring the cost of that Airwrap device down to somewhere, I'm hoping around $200. I don't know if that's going to happen, but those are my thoughts. Anyway, I wanted to go ahead and pick up the long barrel attachment over here because I know I'm going to be getting the Airwrap no matter what over at Ulta. And I know that I like a slightly smaller curl to begin with. I'll definitely play with the other attachments as well from the Dyson Airwrap, but anyway, I knew that I wanted this attachment, so I'm going to buy it over here. So yes, it's coming home. It is. I shared this with you guys in my Sephora sale suggestions. It is also in my cart because I told you every year I pick up a box of my beloved Alpha Beta pore pads things. I love these. And this year's kit is fantastic because you're getting a full size of the Alpha Beta cleanser and you are getting 3 of their body exfoliating towels. They're fabulous. It's $88. It comes home with me every year no matter what. And I love that I am getting a cleanser with it this year. And I get a re-up of these exfoliating body towels, which I really, really loved. I also recommended this in yesterday's video. It is also in my cart because I love this shampoo and conditioner, you guys. It is up there with the Alterna Caviar, which still love, but I feel like this might knock the Alterna out of #1 spot. This and the Pureology Hydrate, I think, are kind of tied at this point for favorite. This is a fantastic shampoo and conditioner if you have dry hair. I purchased this because my hair is gray, and gray hair just sucks up moisture. It also just like it needs a lot more moisture in the products that I use, just to kind of keep everything looking shiny and smooth and silky. This has been wonderful for me. I already have these 17-ounce sizes in the shower. I am nowhere near done with them, but I'm going to replace them during the sale because if I can save 20% off of this, I'm going to do it. So there we go. I also have this little set from Laura Mercier. I've never actually tried their translucent powder, but everyone says really good things about it. So I figure I'll buy this little holiday kit with the little puff. Not much to say about this other than I've heard it's supposed to be a pretty good setting powder, and I love me a good setting powder. I always like to try new mascaras, and I've heard some good things about the Rare Beauty brand overall, so I thought I'd dive in with a mascara because that's kind of a good basic, like, you know, dip your toes in the water kind of thing. So I popped this in there. I'm excited to try it. Now, I'm going to get to this here in a second, but I'm going to mention these other couple things here really quickly. I do want to try more from Virtue, so I'm also going to try their volumizing mousse. Kind of spendy for the 5.5 ounce size, but again, with these higher end hair care items, I find that they are much more concentrated, so I don't use quite as much product. So even though this is a smaller size, I do think it'll probably be worth the investment just in terms of being able to test it for you guys. This gets really good reviews, and again, I like the line and I really want to try more from them. So I popped this into my cart, and you know how I love this little honey bear every single year. Every VIB sale, I pick it up. This year is no exception. And this one comes with a sample of their Don't Despair Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. I've never tried that, so I'm kind of excited to get it in here. Also, the birthday gifts this year, they're kind of, there is no option for a cruelty-free birthday gift this year, so I'm going to pop this NARS birthday gift into my cart, and then I can gift this to like one of my nieces or something. I'm sure one of them will enjoy this, so. Oh, and here come the doggies. The last thing I'm going to mention is this kit right here. So let's just take a look at this because I think it's kind of a good deal. The thing is, like, there's several things in here that are not cruelty free, but what I really want from this is this Summer Fridays, this lip butter balm. I want to try their lip butter balm. This by itself, I think, is like $22 or something like that. And I've always wanted to try the Huda lip liners, and that is a full size, and I like this color. These other things here in the middle, the NARS is not cruelty free, the Clinique is not, neither is the YSL, but I can gift these out for the holidays. I have people I can gift this stuff to. It's cheaper for me to purchase this $36 kit than it is for me to get this and this by itself, the balm and the lip liner. So, and then I end up with some things for other people in here as well. So this is the Swipe of Color lipstick and lip balm set. So it's a good deal. And if I can get a couple more gifts out of it, perfect. And I'll keep the things that I want from this set. So I feel like the colors that are in here are, well, this is the black honey here, but they're pretty neutral. I love the look of this liner. This liner is kind of perfect. I do, by the way, have, I think this is NARS Cruella, is it? Let's take a look. I'm pretty sure it's Cruella. Yeah, this is a beautiful red. I actually still have my NARS Cruella from when it was a Sephora birthday gift. Do you guys remember? That was several years ago. Anyway, I still have it. It's a fantastic red. It's the perfect red for my lips. I found a replacement, a cruelty-free replacement over at Nude Sticks. I don't remember the name of the color, but I'll put the cruelty-free equivalent to Cruella in the description box down below. I'll put a link to it. But anyway, it comes in here. I'll gift that out, and I'll keep the balm and the liner, and someone else will get this other stuff. So you guys, that's what's in my cart. Those are the items that I plan on picking up. Let me know what you plan on getting in the comments down below. And let me know, a lot of you have already told me that it's totally worthwhile to invest in the Dyson Airwrap, but give me one more, like, yes, you're making the right choice here, thumbs up or something in the comments down below. It's such a huge investment. It's not that, like, it's not that I don't want to spend the money on it. I think what I'm thinking about in my head with the Dyson Airwrap is, am I going to use it enough to make the investment worthwhile? Like, I always think about that. Like, am I going to use whatever it is, whether it's a skincare device or a hair care thing or or like a body care thing? Am I going to use this enough to make the investment worthwhile? I feel like I am, because it should make doing my hair easier, but I don't know. You guys give me some reassurance. A lot of you already have, but yeah, just one more for the road, please. All right. Yeah, I'll put links to this stuff down below if you want to go read up about it. Let me know what you are definitely picking up from the sale down below in the comments as well. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. Please subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Toodaloo.